Hindi na tayo bag raid. It's pocket raid. Tama ba? Pocket. Rise and shine. Good morning. Good morning, kids. Good morning. Time check, it's 5:12 a.m. and papunta kami ngayon sa UCM sa Makati, ang layo. So we're coming from Baras Rizal, and as you can see, we have to leave very early. Ayan, nakikita niyo yung buwan. It's not poste ha, hindi yan ilaw sa poste. At inabot na nga kami ng liwanag sa daan. Here is EDSA, and of course, traffic sa Makati. At this point, we're so hungry, so we decided to drive through McDonald's to get some.
Hi sir, good morning. Cheesy egg desal.
And we are here. So, nandito na kami. At magpa-park na kami. Sobrang hirap mag-park dito. Time check, it's 6:33 a.m. and we're not late. Hi, naantok pa ako. So, let's go. Kape muna. Welcome to UCM, and this is where we usually eat our breakfast. For today, we're having cheesy egg desal from McDonald's. And of course, ready na yung mga kabanda ko. Nandyan na sila. Ayaw nila magbayad ng dessert for late. So, walang late for today. And they're also teasing me for doing this vlogging thing. Okay, so sound check muna kami. Now okay, break time, but it's bag raid time muna.
Oh, ay, ganda ng bag niya.
Ay.
I like it.
This bag from my mom.
Wow!
Ganda.
I
And
love it.
then, what do I have in my bag? My wallet, my red wallet.
Wow.
from Air. My pouch of what's inside.
Toiletries.
My pouch. Ooh, Swiss pocket knife. Yung utensils container na ang laman ay mga hikaw. Iba-ibang hikaw. Okay.
Nice.
Oh, very important. Deodorant.
Oh.
Shades container
Wow, I love
na
it.
puro hikaw.
Nagtitinda ka ba ng ikaw?
Bag
Okay, bag within a bag. Makeup.
Makeup.
May hikaw ba dyan?
Wala.
Sa bahay na yan.
Yes, thank you. Ngayon, Santol.
Ayan o. Bagong
Bagong laman.
laman,
And then,
santol.
my notebook with journal and stuffs. And
What do you put in your notebook?
what do I put in my Dear Haley.
Oh.
School, like to-do list and like letters for people that I think about in the day. I write something for them. And
Another note.
academy note.
Pad. Okay.
Oh, wait. Alcohol.
Oh.
That's it. Pansit, I think.
Wow. Very momshy.
Yeah, very mom.
Very momshy.
Headset. Wait, ito pa. Si Jeff.
Si Jeff, nasa bag mo. Jeff. Jeff, nasa yung
Wala
bag
akong
mo?
bag ngayon eh.
Magdala ka ng bag sa Sunday, ha?
Sunday. Dala akong bag sa
Okay, since wala silang mga bag, hindi na tayo bag raid. It's pocket raid. Tama ba? Pocket. Tingnan ang mga laman ng bulsa.
5 pesos. Pig. Susi.
Oh, very
Susi ng kondo.
okay.
Panyo.
Wow! May nagpapanyo pa pala ngayon?
Power bank.
Wow! Ang dami laman na.
Wallet.
Doraemon ko ba yan?
Yun lang.
Yun lang.
Oh.
Ako.
Ikaw.
Laman eh. Ito lang ang laman ng wallet. Ay, ng
Oh, may
bulsa ko.
panyo! Ay, grabe! What are the chances?
Grabe, we're old school.
Wala. May
Yung bulsa mo sa balat. Ano eh?
phone.
Okay, meron siyang phone.
Karesibo.
Tingnan natin yung mga resibo mo.
Hindi
Mga resibo,
nagtatapon.
nalabahan na.
Hindi nagtatapon.
Tingnan na ang resibo mo.
Halatang gamit yung pantalon na ito. Tagal na.
Ilang ulit mo na yung ano? Okay, so meron tayong
Resibo.
resibo na SNR. Okay.
Forest Chris.
Grabe, hindi mo ba yan nilalaban? Laban-laban din.
Wale.
Oh, wale. Mga cards. Ito yung lang.
Wale.
Wala nang iba?
Phone.
Oh, yun lang for Ryan. What's in your pocket?
Kanan.
Okay, oh. Akalain mo yung merong suklays
Wala.
Kuya Aya nyo.
Wallet na puro resibo lang yung laman.
Okay.
Tsaka pick. Tapos
Very guitarist, ha?
cellphone.
Cellphone.
Walang load. Susi.
Susi ng kondo.
Susi ng kondo.
Okay.
Tsaka panyo.
Panyo.
Wala.
Ah,
I'm a classic guy.
Walang resibo?
Wala.
Pocket raid!
Pocket aid? I
Oh.
have nothing.
Because everything is in your
It's in my
bag.
bag.
Pocket raid! What's in your pocket?
Ayak mo.
Ilo. Susi and cellphone. Walang resibo? Wala. Naglaba. Harold, do you remember what bulsa means?
Rye's pocket.
Because yesterday we were talking about bulsa.
Because Rye has big money in his
Yeah,
pocket.
so it's bulsa raid. So what's in your pocket?
I have a good one.
Don't tell me it's receipt.
No? Drum key. 'Cause I'm a drummer.
Wow!
And then
Drum? Are you a drum?
a headphone thing because Jeff Lucas, the one and only, stole this from the studio.
Oh my
So I
God.
have it in my pocket for safekeeping because he did return it in fairness to him. So
Wow.
what was once lost is now found.
Is that it?
That's it.
Eh, kasi Chester, hindi pa tapos. What's in your pocket? It's pocket raid.
No, you have to say it in Tagalog.
Ano
What's in your
Bulsa. Bulsa.
bulsa?
I got pack of coins.
Wow, it's a coin purse.
What about the other side?
The other side?
Ito.
Raid. What's in your pocket?
Sige,
Come on,
yan.
sige.
Ay, sa left ay wala.
Okay?
Sa right ay mga barya.
Okay, magkano ang barya mo?
Madami yan. Tapos, meron pa dito kasi ito. Alam mo, ano ko to eh.
Ask me.
Favorite ko yung mga 20s.
Grabe, conductor ka ba sa other life mo?
Hindi kasi 'di ba I buy food for the worship
yeah.
team. So kailangan maging diligently doing yung mga
Oh,
supply,
yung mga
resibo. Okay.
mga
Speaking
sentimo,
of
no?
resibo,
Okay.
nag-withdraw ako kanina.
Okay.
Ito ay mga receipts, food receipts na kakainin later. Ayan.
Oh, wow. Kailangan masinop, ano?
Masinop
Kailangan
na
talaga yan.
nagre-resibo. Then last pocket,
Okay?
ano to? Nag-tights kasi ako eh.
Wow.
May ATM sa labas ng church. Ayan.
Ayan. Pocket rate. Yan lang. Wala kang pera, ganun. Wala kang resibo.
I usually have a string, but I put my string in the Ziploc bag.
Okay, it's in the back. By the way, I'm so proud of this girl for the new song. guys, pakinggan nyo na yung Peacemaker. It's out now on Spotify. We also have a music video, which is, by the way, very good. Peacemaker is out now. Invite them. And so, uwian na nga. But before we do that, we're heading to SM Marikina para we could spend time as a family. And it's also nostalgic here because this is where we used to hang out after church when we were still living in Marikina. And finally, good coffee, you guys. Tinry namin tong bagong coffee shop dito, pero parang hindi naman siya talaga bago. But let me know if it is, right? Yeah. So there, that's it for today. See you on my next vlog. And pahabol nga pala, don't forget to listen to our new song, Peacemaker. See you!